Do you find yourself constantly bested by horror movie directors, or just in general considered a fraidy cat around this time of year? Well, have no fear. We will provide a highly effective guide to help you cope with all your fears and make you the bravest of them all. But just to let you know, it's totally normal. In fact, these reactions of fear or stress were inherited by our ancestors and are triggered by our sympathetic or fight or flight nervous system, an evolutionarily conserved system to help us get out of harm's way, mobilizing our energy and focus towards overcoming or avoiding threat. When you perceive a threat or a sense of fear, your body sends an afferent sensory signal and activates a stress response. Efferent motor neurons associated with stress relay the message to our bodies from our brain and make sure we get the heck out of the situation. Our brain and body shut down our regular physiological functions such as digestion, cell repair, and reproduction, and know we're not dying, but this allows most of our energy to go towards escaping the impending doom of our pretty feeble yet delectable fleshy bodies. Or we could choose to fight and hopefully win. But nowadays, our society doesn't usually have things jumping out at us like that, besides when you run into your ex in public. Hey. The stress response in our innate nervous system causes the following symptoms. Number 1, an increased heart rate to get that blood pumping, and thereby providing oxygen quicker to all your muscles. This will make you run faster when something chases you. Increased respiration also goes hand in hand with this, so whether it's beating that scary opponent or fear of rejection from a fellow lady friend, you're going to be taking sharp and fast breaths. Number 2, muscle tension can occur similarly as when experiencing a panic attack. This seizing of your muscles is caused by your body's noradrenaline reacting to a signal to get ready for a reaction to an event of trauma or fear instead of fleeing. Number 3, eye movement increases like the widening of our eye to widen our optic perimeter so we could see more in our area, and we're more alert to seeing potential solutions, escape routes, resources, or even avoid further threat. Number 4, cortisol levels rise as we are exposed to signals that there is danger nearby. Studies have shown the cortisol stress hormone while watching horrific scenes such as knives, blood, darkness, and ghosts. The hormone has been linked to memory loss and psychological illnesses such as depression due to its ability to release and repress some cognitive abilities. Number 5. Adrenaline is another hormone released during the fight or flight response. This feeling leaves you panicky and your body is quick to react to any signals. Adrenaline isn't necessarily good for you, but it is scientifically proven that a huge burst of it may release feeling of pleasure. After an adrenaline rush, you may feel full of energy, extremely alive and alert. So next time you're feeling your heart race, dizziness, nausea, shortness of breath, shaking, feeling hot and flushed or sweating profusely, know that at least you are a fully functional whatever it is you're scared of. So to help you out with the haunting thoughts of midterms, here are some ways to tone down your sympathetic response. Give yourself time to get past a traumatic event by focusing your thoughts and energy on a particular hobby. Ask for support. Talk to someone about it to reinforce that support, whether it is a counselor, a trustworthy friend, or a parent. So next time you go to an exam and feel that your palms are sweaty, just know that it's your body thinking you're in danger and trying to do all that it can to make sure you're prepared to overcome anything.
Your job's a joke.